If you thought Meta AI's free video generator was gone, think again. Meta AI is back, and in this video, I'll show you how to access it completely, free with no credits and no subscription. But that's just the beginning. I'll show you how to create long 10 to 20 minutes AI videos with no watermark and even automate the entire process to generate videos in bulk. So if you're ready to stop paying for AI video generators, let's get started. As you can see, I've opened the Meta AI platform, but there's no create option to generate AI videos or images. That's because Meta is currently updating its platform with more advanced AI features. You can already see some of the latest image generation and editing list of features available here. For example, I uploaded one of my photos, entered a simple prompt, clicked submit, and within seconds, Meta AI transformed it into an amazing clay-style image. The only problem is that video generation isn't available on this platform yet. But don't worry, in the next step, I'll show you how to unlock unlimited AI image and video generation using Meta AI. Now, to access Meta AI's video generation features, simply search for Vibes AI and open the first result. On the login page, click Log In, and you'll be authenticated with your Meta account. Within a few seconds, you'll be inside the platform. As you can see, Vibes AI is integrated with Meta AI, and all the projects you previously created on the Meta platform are already available here. I will click on the Create New. Now we're inside a new project. Here you can rename your project if you'd like. Next, click on the Video button where you'll find three options: video, image, and lip sync. Since we need an image first, I'll select the image option. You can also add ingredients like scene, style, and character to get more accurate and consistent results. Now I'll copy the prompt I generated with Claude AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Vibes AI creates 4 different image variations from the same prompt, just like Meta AI. You may run into a few issues while using this platform, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix them later in the video, so don't skip this part. If you click the 3 dots on any image, you'll see the Animate option, which automatically turns your image into a video. If you open the image, you'll find even more features, including sync voice, although it isn't working as well as I expected right now. You can also sync the image with music. The most important feature here is Animate, where you'll get 2 options: Auto Animate and Manual Animate. For now, I'll choose Auto Animate, and within a few seconds, our video is ready. If you're not happy with the result, you can always regenerate it. You also have the option to extend your video's duration, so I'll click Auto Extend. If you ever run into a system error like this, simply refresh the page and try again. As you can see, after refreshing and clicking Auto Extend once more, the video is successfully extended from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. If you prefer more control, you can use Manual Extend instead. You can also add background music to your video directly from here. Now, if I play the video I downloaded directly from Vibes AI, you can clearly see that the quality isn't as good as expected. But here's the interesting part. This second video was downloaded using a different method, and as you can see, it's crystal clear with Ultra HD quality. The difference is obvious. This is one of the biggest issues creators face when downloading videos from Vibes AI. But don't worry, later in this video, I'll show you the simple method I use to get this crystal clear quality, so make sure you don't skip that part. Now let me show you how to generate videos from text. I'll switch from image to video. Just like before, you can add ingredients such as scene, style, or character, but I'll leave them at their default settings. You can also choose a start frame and end frame if needed. One important setting here is the output quality. You can generate your video in 480p or 720p, and I'll select 720p for the best results. Next, I'll paste the same prompt we used to generate the image and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Vibes AI creates 4 amazing video variations from the same prompt. If you open any of these videos, you'll have even more control. You can sync it with music, extend the video's duration, and explore other editing options to further improve the final result. If you've noticed, all the images and videos we've generated so far are in a vertical format, which is perfect for short-form content. Unfortunately, Vibes AI doesn't currently provide an option to switch the aspect ratio to 16:9. Even if you include 16:9 landscape in your prompt, it will still generate the video in a vertical format. But don't worry. If you want to create 16:9 landscape long-form videos that are perfect for YouTube, I'll show you the exact method in the next step. Now let me show you how to create 10 to 20-minute AI videos using Vibes AI. To make this process simple, we'll use my master prompt, which generates a complete documentary script along with detailed image and video prompts. It works like a world-class documentary director, creating everything you need in one go. All you need to do is enter your topic, such as Roman Empire, Ancient Egypt, or Great Britain, and then specify the number of visuals or scenes you want. The more scenes you generate, the longer your final video will be. Don't worry, I'll provide the master prompt in the description below so you can use it to create your own long-form AI videos. Now I'll copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. For the topic, I'll enter Roman Empire, and for the number of scenes, I'll set it to 15 because I want to create a 15-scene documentary. Then I'll click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT creates everything we need for each scene, including the script, voice style, image prompt, and video prompt. As you can see, it has generated all 15 scenes in the same format, making the entire workflow much faster. The first step is to generate all the images. I'll copy the image prompt from the first scene and open Pixelman AI. As you can see, I'm already logged in. I'll go to the image section where you can choose from different image models. Some models require a paid plan, but I'll scroll down and select the free Pixelman Realistic V2 model. Now I'll paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, we get this amazing image. If you're happy with the result, simply click Download to save it to your computer. If not, you can always regenerate it until you're satisfied. I'll repeat the same process for all 15 scenes by copying each image prompt, generating the image, and saving it to my desktop. If you're looking for even better image quality, I highly recommend using Nano Banana inside Gemini. As you can see, I've opened Gemini. I'll paste the same image prompt and add aspect ratio 16:9 at the end before clicking Generate. In about 1 to 2 minutes, Gemini creates an incredible image for the first scene. I'll follow the same process for the remaining scenes. To save time, I'll skip ahead and show you the final results once all the images have been generated. Now, as you can see, we've generated all the image scenes. The next step is to bring these images to life using Vibes AI. I'll import the first scene image, and if you click on the 3 dots, you'll see the Animate option. Clicking it will automatically turn the image into a video. Within a few seconds, our video is ready. If you open it, you'll notice it's generated in a 16:9 landscape format, making it perfect for long-form YouTube videos. You also get additional controls, such as adding background music or extending the video's duration to make your scenes even longer. Now, if you want to animate your image with a custom prompt, switch from image to video, then click on Start and End Frame, followed by Add Start Frame. I'll select the image we uploaded earlier. Next, I'll open the advanced settings and choose 720p for the best quality. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for the first scene, paste it into the Vibes AI prompt box, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Vibes AI creates 4 different video variations using the same image and prompt. If you open any of them, you'll see they're generated in a 16:9 landscape format, making them perfect for long-form YouTube videos. Now here's an important tip. If you download the video directly from here, you may notice that the quality isn't as sharp as expected. Instead, go back, click the 3 dots, select Copy Link, open a new browser tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Then simply click Download. As you can see, the exact same video is now downloaded in crystal clear, Ultra HD quality, giving you a much better final result. I'll repeat the same process for all the remaining image scenes. To save time, I'll skip ahead and show you the final results once all the videos have been generated. Now that all our video scenes are ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover for each scene using Google AI Studio, one of the most advanced and realistic free AI text-to-speech tools available. I'll start by copying the script for the first scene. Then I'll open a new tab, search for Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech, and click on the first result. Once the page loads, I'll select the Master Storytelling preset. Next, I'll open speaker settings and adjust the settings to match my project. For the voice actor, I'll choose Archerd. Now I'll paste the scene script into the text box. Then I'll copy the voice style generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the sample context section. Finally, I'll click Generate, and within a few seconds, the voiceover for the first scene is ready.
An empire rose, forever reshaping civilization across continents.
I'll download it to my desktop. I'll repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes by copying each script, generating the voiceover in Google AI Studio, and downloading the audio files. To save time, I'll skip ahead and show you the final results once all the voiceovers have been generated. Now that we have all the video clips and voiceovers ready, the final step is to combine everything into one cinematic long-form video. For this, I'll be using CapCut. As you can see, I've already imported all the video and audio files into CapCut. First, I'll organize them so it's easier to match each video with its corresponding voiceover. Now I'll drag the first scene onto the timeline along with its audio. You'll notice the voiceover is slightly longer than the video, so I'll simply adjust the video's speed to perfectly match the audio. Once they're synchronized, I'll repeat the same process for the second scene by adding its video and voiceover, then adjusting the speed until they align perfectly. I'll continue this process for all the remaining scenes. To save time, I'll fast forward this part and show you the final result once everything has been synchronized. Now, as you can see, all the video clips are perfectly synchronized with their voiceovers. The next step is to add transitions for a smoother flow between scenes. I'll open the transitions section, search for black fade, and apply this free transition between each clip. With the transitions in place, it's time to add some background music. For this, I'll be using Pixabay Music, which offers thousands of copyright-free music tracks. However, make sure you always follow the platform's terms and conditions. In general, tracks with a shield icon may have additional usage restrictions, while those without the shield icon are usually safer to use. I'll download a track that perfectly matches the mood of this documentary, import it into the timeline, and lower the volume so it complements the voiceover instead of overpowering it. Now everything is ready. Let's watch the final cinematic AI video.
An empire rose, forever reshaping civilization across continents. Rome began as legends, transformed into unstoppable ambition. Discipline forged legions feared across the ancient world. Caesar changed history through brilliance, ambition, and...
Everything looks great, and now it's time to export our final video. I'll click the export button, give the video a name, choose the destination folder, and click export once again. Within a few moments, our cinematic AI video is ready. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means the world to me and motivates me to keep creating more free AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.